Well guys, the last time what we have seen is the Express server, and this time I'm going to take you to the Node server and the simplest implementation of the Node server just to start and say the hello world into it. So for the beginners it will be very helpful to how to start a Node server and just return a message like a hello world. So how we are going to do that? So let me have a recap for the Express one. That's what we have done. So in case of Express server, so we have added some of the lines to get the Express modules, and then we have the API over there, and we are listening it onto the port 5000. Similarly, Node server is also going to be the same. So let's see it how it is going to be. Let me create one file first and name it. Let's save it and name it as Node server.js. Save it. And I start the coding then. You need to add const http before going to start, so you need to install the node into your system as well so that you can run the server from the terminal then. And this is the basics code that you needed to start and print the hello world. So it's a hello world application for the node server basically. So you take the http module, and with this HTTP module we'll create a server. So this is the method which HTTP module gives us, and in this one, in create server, it takes function as a parameter, request and response. With this response, now you need to pass the headers for it. So one way you can do, once you start typing in the IntelliSense, it will provide all the methods to you. So write head. So in header, it will return you to the status, and what kind of the content it is going to be written. So content type, you have to define it. So content type is, currently I'm just passing it as text, and that's a plain text. So it may be content type like Java, like a JSON as well. And finishes this, go to the next line, and there is another method, and this one is going to send you hello from node server message on the screen. But before that, you have to listen it somewhere. So listen it where? So listen it on the port. Which port? I'm defining it here as 8080 and the IP address. That's all. Time to start the node server. First let me go into that directory, which is cd node-js. Enter it. Now I'm in the directory, and then type node. So you need to install the node as well, which I have already told. And then node, the file name, node server.js. Enter it. If there is an error, you will see over here. If there is nothing as such, so then the server is started. So now you go to the browser. I open it here and type http://127.0. That's port number and the IP address, and now additional information. For example, if you wanted to make it very like you wanted to decorate it, so you can divide all the modules into the different constant and var. For example, const I want const status, so just pass 200 here, and instead of passing like this, so let's pass it like this, the status. It is the same, but it just a look and feel, but it will give you the same result. Just quickly check if there should not be an error. That's all for the node. Thank you guys. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and go ahead. I'll put some small video again and again. Thank you.